Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to deploy GitHub project on Vercel, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. But in this quick tutorial I am going to break down step by step process. So without any further ado, dive into the main topic. So here you can see we had couple of repository already created, so I'm going to create a new one. Just click to the new and then give a name that will be Vercel 2 Vercel 2.0, and then here you can see it already been done. So let's click to the create repository. Once I click over here you can see it already been done. So if you want to add anything you can do it, you have this authority. So you just need to come to the project here and let's import this one. And here you can see we already connected our GitHub with this Vercel account, but when you will become to the Vercel, you will get this kind of a interface. Here you can see this kind of a interface. You just need to click to this import Vercel and then connect with your GitHub. Then it will give you the authorization, and when it will authorize, then it will be perfectly import here. As you can see, import git repository. Just click over here, import. Once you click over here, then click to the deploy. Once you click over here, it will take a while and then it will be perfectly deployed here, and you will get successful message. The provide git repository does not contain the request branch or commit reference. Please ensure the repository is not empty. So as you know, our repository is totally empty, so that's the reason we are not able to deploy it. So let's go to the project here and let's try to add a project. Just jump on it and then team create project. Here let's create it, and here you can see it has been done. So repository, and let's click to the zip, and let's come back to our project panel, and here you can see that these are the project we have, Vercel 2.2. just click over that place, and here you can add anything. Let's click to the edit.me, and then eventually I'm going to commit the changes and commit changes perfectly, and it's already been done. So here you can see our read.md has been edited. So I'm going to deploy these things again. Just click to refresh it, and now I'm going to deploy it. Then it will take a while and eventually it will be deployed because we already add and read.md. That's the reason. And here you can see, actually I'm right, that congratulations, you just deploy a new project to HSC, and this way you can see install trend previews, push a new branch to preview changes, and you can add domain enable speed insist. Let's click to the continue to the dashboard. Here you can see it. That much easy the process was. I hope you love this video. If you think you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.